Hey guys, Glimmer, how are you? Welcome to Kboovo review tutorial walkthrough bonus, all that good stuff. This is a software called Kboovo. I know it's a hard one to say, but what it is, it's basically an all-in-one platform for basically um, registering your, as an affiliate marketer. You'll know this. If you're just getting started, this is something that you may really want to look at because there's a ton of training that comes with it. And what's most affiliate marketers, we know that we have to go to Namecheap for our domains, and then we go over to our funnel builder, whether we're Builderall or ClickFunnels or whatever it is, ConvertKit or whatever you got going, or system or whatever you have going, and then you have your autoresponders over here, and you're trying to put all this stuff together, and you basically use a bunch of different tools. That's the reality of affiliate marketing. Well, what Kboovo is actually, it's kind of all in one place. And what's really interesting about it is that the creators behind it have been around for a long time. So you're going to get a quality product. There's probably going to be a lot of working through the kinks. If you're part of the Groove experience, you know it's been years of sort of development. It keeps getting better and better. But if you got in right when Groove started, you got in for a great discount, and you get it for life, and you get all the tools and whistles, or whistles and tools. So, anyways, this is very similar to it, but even a lot less than Groove was. So, let me show you the sales page first. So let's jump onto the sales page here, so we can kind of go over what exactly. Make sure I got the sales. Yes, here's the sales page. So this one doesn't have a demo video, guys. So when you get to sales pages, there's not going to be any videos to see. So that if you're really video intensive, you're gonna be seeing the training. I believe there's videos in the training. I didn't go through all the training, but I know that the training is amazing. But it's also, sometimes it's good to go through training that is actually just text, so it really sinks in as opposed to just watching someone, because you can understand it and you can go through it. But anyways, so you just found the private software that helped us make more than 7 figures in affiliate commissions. So basically, these guys, I wish I could remember his name. They built this tool for themselves to use. And one really key feature is that the keyword research tool that they use is SEMrush, and I believe you get access to that having this. So that's a deal in itself, because keyword research is not cheap these days. So basically, it's you'll have every marketer tool, all the expert training you'll ever need. Well, you don't have exactly every tool. You will have to add an autoresponder to it, so you will need a get response or an Aweber account. The funnel builder in it is sort of attached to another funnel builder, so that is one thing. It's not its own exclusive funnel builder. It's another funnel builder. I think you get 2 funnels for free, but they're working on some sort of solution that's going to have it be part of the whole system. So like I said, you're going to be in an experience that's going to grow. So if you get in on like a one-time fee, you're going to have this tool for years to come, right? So how does it work? So it's a hybrid marketing engine powering thousands of affiliate websites. So it does all. So the intelligent artificial, the affiliate software does all the heavy lifting for you. So basically, instead of having to go, I got to go to Namecheap. I want to register a new domain. I go to Namecheap, and then I got to do my website. It's all right there. You can register your domain right there. Just basically, boom, click. You set up your website, because it's all the hosting. Everything is included in this package. And then build a funnel and build your page, and it's got WooCommerce plugins and all that kind of stuff. So that's really cool. Affiliate marketing specialist, just going through here. So here's the important message. I just want to reiterate this, guys, to you. So thank you for taking the time to check out Kboovo. My name is Joe Russell. That's who it is. He's a full-time affiliate marketer and SEO specialist since 1999, guys. This guy has been in the game for 22 years. Product developer since 2007. He's also the creator of a legendary Sudoku SEO software. So my team and I began developing Kboovo years ago, and they called it the system, right? So they've kept developing it. So basically, to get you the best possible results, and what I just talked about, you must have some knowledge of keyword and market research. You need that, guys. If you're building a funnel, you need to know that you're targeting the keywords. Like you might have the most amazing funnel, but you've targeted the wrong keyword that only gets 10 searches. Whereas if you change that one word you targeted, you might be getting 18,000 searches. Like, and that's just reality, right? So keyword and market research, traffic strategies, social media, email marketing, funnels, copywriting, etc. So it sounds like a lot, but it really isn't, especially if you have Kboovo's training tools and automation. So I'm really interested. This will have every tool. Look, I can't guarantee you. This is what Joe says. I can't guarantee that you will experience the same results I have. Your success depends on how much time and effort you are willing to put in, but you will have every tool, resource, automation, expert training, and marketing support at your fingertips, providing you with everything you need to make it happen. So this is true, guys. So that is sort of the sales page. It's not really flashy. It's not going to flash a whole bunch of commission things, you know, the get rich quick stuff. This is actually a tool that you're going to be able to use. Now the price for it, I think it's 27 is the front end. Okay, this is actually is this the system, guys? Yeah. I think this, oh wait, maybe this is the system here. There it is. So basically this is the back office. Like I said, you're going to have all your stuff that you need here. You need content written, you go grab stuff from iWriter, you Copyscape. If you need to test and see if you have original material, Copyscape. So for example, guys, if I wanted to grab a piece of content from iWriter, you know, it's like $10 or something to go get a piece of content. So I have to go to the iWriter website, order the content, right? And then when I get it, I'd have to go to the Copyscape website and check it. And these guys are all integrated within the system, right? So this is the article builder. There's a spin rewriter. You can bring in your YouTube videos into this now. Where is website? I'm sorry, guys. I'm still getting sort of used to looking around this thing. I'm just got access today to it. So this is the demo. This is my projects. If I click on it, it's going to ask me for a keyword. So it's going to do a keyword search for it. And then I want to show you all the tools that comes with. Where is the tools? Domain management. Guys, like I said, I'm still learning my domains. So yeah, here's where you go. Instead of going over to Namecheap, it's right here. You buy a domain, boom, right there. All your domains are going to be here. Your eNom account. You just have to do a little bit of the setup, and all this stuff is in here. Monetization. You find products. You put your ClickBank information in here. It grabs you your affiliate links. So it's got Amazon, ClickBank, eBay, Bonanza, Walmart, even AliExpress, AdSense, and Amazon link. But again, if you wanted to bring, you know, go grab a Warrior Plus or a JVZoo, it will bring that in here too, and you could just paste it in as well. So this is kind of an all-to tool. So let me go through. Let me just jump back on here. I know this isn't like what you're expecting, because usually we get a nice demo video that shows you how to do things so quick and easy on a lot of these softwares. But a lot of those guys they're usually missing something, or they work great if you have all these other tools at your arsenal, right? So this is kind of cool that it's not flashy, it's giving you the real goods. Let me go through the prices here for you. Just trying to check out the page. Let's see. There's what I want, the launch document. And here we go. The OTO'S. So I think there's only 3 products in the funnel, guys. There's going to be a 27. It's a dime sale, so it'll go up. So when you see it, when it launches, I'm doing this tonight on the 11th. It's going to launch at noon on the 12th. Anyway, it'll be out there. Kboovo Monthly is $27. And then the first OTO will just allow you to go, instead of spending $27 a month, you can go up to a $247, 50% recurring commission. And then the OTO 2 is, what is it? The first one is offered. We have several pre-sale questions. Yearly OTO 1, Kboovo $247. And then one-time payment. This is it. Oh, you can buy it outright for $400. So that's really cool. Exit intent. So if you go to scroll off, guys, you can try it for $1. and that will give you, I think, in 1 week. I think it's a 7-day $1 trial. It may be a monthly trial or a 1-day trial. So always, guys, and this is the one thing, being an affiliate, I make less money, but if you scroll off the page, you usually get some kind of discount. They'll offer like, wait before you go, do that. So make sure you click like if you like learning that. And basically, that's a little tip for you. That is it, guys. So this has been the Kboovo launch. I know it's, oh, my bonus page, guys. I didn't even show you my bonus page. Let me just pop it on there for you. This is what it's going to look like. So when you click the link, you're going to end up here. You'll see all the bonuses you get for, and I'm still putting the bonuses together, guys, but I'll put a nice big package for you together that you're going to get some great software and some trainings that you will definitely want to use. But that'll be my bonus page for you there. So hopefully, guys, I think that is, let me get back on full screen here. That's everything I have for you. So again, this is not a hypey launch or anything. This is just a solid tool that you're going to be able to get. Like I said, grab the $1 trial or grab the $27 trial. It's money back guarantee anyway. So try it out. See if it's what you need. Especially if you're brand new, this is going to be something that you and then if you try it for a month, grab the whole kit and caboodle. Grab it for the one-time fee. That's what I did with Groove, right? So I have Groove. I have the whole package of Groove. I just bought the one-time fee, so I have that for life. Do I use it all the time? No. But when I need to do something specific, yeah, or someone's got a Groove page that I want to duplicate, I'm like, hey, can I have that duplicate code? And boom, I slide it into my Groove account and it's done, right? So it's really easy to use. I figured out how to integrate it with my autoresponder, so that's really cool. So this is something that you're going to be able to use. It'll be sort of like your central hub that's always going to be open and where you're going to be working out of as an affiliate marketer, which is really cool. Like, so the less time you have to go be looking for stuff, like, and here's just a little example. Like when I need to create a bonus page, I'm going back and forth. I'm getting my because I always forget. I'm like, I should make a notepad and I put all my information in, and I don't. I go, oh, I need that. So then I'll open up this account and I'll go find my link there and open up this account and that kind of thing. This is all in one place, which is really, really cool. So my recommendation is definitely try it out. See if it's the solution for you. It might be a little bit overwhelming, so just don't worry about it. Go through the training because you're going to get great training in it. So again, this has been Kboovo review, kind of a demo, kind of a walkthrough. The OTO'S we talked about, and my bonuses, and basically that's it. All right, guys, make sure you hit the like and subscribe to my channel, and I will be bringing you more reviews and any other tips I've learned. I actually just tried a brand new video channel that's really cool. I'll do a training on it. All right, guys, have a great day. Bye.